Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can build your first AI agent in just 5 minutes. So we will train this AI agent with the health and nutrition related data. Okay, for example, I maintain this Excel sheet. Inside this, we have the food name, the number of calories, the protein, and something like this, the vitamins. Okay, so first of all, AI agent will search to our local database, that is the CSV file, and if the answer some user will query a new answer something like in the health related domain, then it will also search on the live search like Google or DuckDuckGo. So let's start the implementation. So basically, for the tools of this AI agent, we use the two tools. The first is our own database, that is whatever the CSV file, or you can connect to your MySQL or any databases. The second thing is live search. Okay, for an editor, I'm using the Google Colab. Okay, and inside the Google Colab, first of all, for the Google Gemini AI LLM, you need to go to that specific website, that is Google AI Studio, and then create your own API key. In video description, this link is mentioned. After creating the API, you need to import this in your own editor, that is Google Colab. Okay, the first step is to install the necessary library. Through pip command, you can install all these library. This code is also mentioned in video description. So all code is mentioned in video description. Okay, so just understand this. First of all, we will import our that auths, create Gemini API auth, and after that we will first of all we will create a CSV file through this data. Okay, and then we import that CSV file. Okay, so this is just like to showing up the steps. If you have already imported the CSV file, don't you can skip these steps. Okay, and start from here. Okay, to read this CSV file, that is this one, of the Excel that contains all the this one. Okay, the food related calories something. After importing this, we will convert this in one row as LLM wants in string one. Okay, after that we will convert this into vectors. Okay, and this is the vector. After that, you already know we have two tools. The first tool is to retrieve the data from our own CSV file, and the second is if not match in the CSV, then after go to the live search, that is DuckDuckGo search engine. Okay, also, and in on the health related context. Okay, so after that, in step 4, we will build our RAG chain. Okay, so the RAG is basically to tells the LLM in front of our own database. Okay, so inside this we basically mention some prompt, and after that we will paste our basically our retrieval engine, and after that we will create a agent. Or inside the agent, first of all we tells her to where, for example, first of all you need to go to your own local CSV. If not match, then go for the live search, and inside this agent all we did all the parameters. When we ask different questions to that specific agent, for example, the first question is what is the protein content of chicken breast. You know that we have just CSV like that I said. Okay, and it will answer this question like this. Here you can see that the chicken breast has more protein than salmon. Okay, and a serving of chicken breast is 31 uh, gram of protein, something like this. Okay, here you can basically ask the different question about to this agent. Tell me about the vitamins in spinach. Okay, for example this, so it will answer this of this question, that is the spinach is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, something like this. Okay, so for example, if we question what has most calories. Okay, the agent will answer salmon has most calories. Okay, if we give go to our data set, here you can see that inside the salmon we have the number of calories, that is 208, that is most among all. So that is how you build your own agent. I hope after watching this video you have understood about the basic concept of the AI agent and how you can connect your own tools with it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section, or a question link is also mentioned. Stay blessed.